Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your Snapchat streak faster on your phone. So if you want to get a Snapchat streak just like mine, let me show you. When I go to my profile section, you can see that my streak is 369,000. If you want to create streaks on Snapchat, you simply need to add more friends to your Snapchat. Just like I have a few friends, you need to make more friends on your Snapchat and also create groups on Snapchat. On a daily basis, make sure to send snaps to your friends, which will help you increase your Snapchat streak. That is the way you can increase your Snapchat streak on your account. Simply go to your profile section and check your progress. Also, try to grow your connections by making more friends and groups on Snapchat, and even gain more followers on TikTok and Snapchat. So make sure to follow these steps. First, add more friends on Snapchat. Second, create more groups. Third, send snaps daily. This is how you can increase your Snapchat streak faster. That's it for this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.